can't spend your entire life trying to chase residency or immigration papers while putting your dreams on hold. If you've been wondering where I've been, well, here's the truth. I've been inconsistent on YouTube for over 2 years. Not because I stopped loving it, but because life kept changing. In the past few years, I've moved from Nigeria to the Philippines, back to Nigeria, then United States, and now I'm in Canada. Every move definitely came with its own new beginnings and its own challenges and another chance to always rebuild. Somewhere along the way, I got married, I became a mom, and my priorities completely changed. And honestly, looking back, I've realized that starting over isn't just about packing boxes or even changing your address. It's the emotional weight of leaving behind the community that you have built. You guys, the friendships that you've nurtured. It's really not easy moving on emotionally, physically. We've built friendships, we've built our career. We had like our church community. Our most recent move was especially difficult because it wasn't part of the original plan. However, we had to pivot, like I said, due to like immigration policy changes. And honestly, one lesson I've learned as an immigrant is that you can't spend your entire life trying to chase residency or immigration papers while putting your dreams on hold. So at some point, you have to choose the place where you can truly thrive, where you can grow and maximize your potential. People often say, America is the land of opportunity. But I have come to believe that your America is wherever you are able to live fully, work freely, and become the best version of yourself. Starting over isn't easy, it's uncomfortable and emotional, and sometimes can even be very lonely. But one thing every immigrant learns is that the ability to adapt is one of the greatest skills you can ever develop. And maybe this isn't just another new beginning, maybe it's the start of something even better. But yeah, shout out to my OGs that have been watching me since, from the very beginning when I started YouTube. You guys really are the best. I've had people reach out to me. Yomi, I can see your videos. Yomi this, Yomi that. Anyways, Yomi is back now, and please turn on your notification. You guys, I also post like lots of shorts as well on YouTube. I know some people have said, Yomi, you've been posting, you've not been seeing your videos. I've been posting on shorts, okay? I mean, I just had it recently as well. So please, I'm back now. Subscribe if you're yet. So if you're watching me for the first time, this is a good time, to join the family, and let's get started. Okay. I'm really excited to share so many things with you guys, and I'm hoping that I can also learn from you guys as well, and as much as you learn from me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.